The number of confirmed deaths has passed 200.
Well, several countries are monitoring the spread of the deadly virus.
New cases of the deadly Nipah virus in India have countries in Asia on high alert this morning.
The World Health Organization issued an update on the Nipah virus, saying it does not recommend restrictions on travel or trade.
Different virus outbreak in India that is triggering all of those familiar precautions in parts of Asia right now. It is called the Nipah virus.
It didn't shut down the world. It didn't stop daily life. And yet, the World Health Organization considers the Nipah virus one of the most dangerous pathogens known to science today. A virus with no approved vaccine. A virus that spreads from animals to humans, and then from human to human. But what exactly is this threat, and where did it come from? Nipah belongs to the Paramyxoviridae family. It is a zoonotic virus, meaning it bridges the gap between the wild animal kingdom and human civilization with devastating impact. What makes Nipah especially dangerous is how it attacks. It primarily targets the brain, causing encephalitis, a severe, life-threatening inflammation, alongside serious respiratory failure. The fatality rate is alarming. Depending on the outbreak, between 40 and 75% of those infected do not survive. And currently, there is no specific antiviral treatment. To understand this danger, we must go back to 1998. In Malaysia, pig farmers began experiencing severe neurological problems, initially mistaken for Japanese encephalitis. The virus was eventually named after the village where the first cases were recorded, Kampung Sungai Nipah. The outbreak led to the culling of over 1 million pigs, a massive economic blow. The natural reservoir was identified as fruit bats of the genus Pteropus. These bats carry the virus without showing any signs of illness, acting as a silent, mobile reservoir in the ecosystem. Crucially, these bats have evolved to carry the virus without succumbing to it. They act as a silent reservoir, shedding the pathogen through their saliva and droppings as they forage for food. In some regions, the bridge to humans is date palm sap. Bats are attracted to the sweet sap, contaminating it with their saliva or droppings as it is collected in open containers overnight. Transmission occurs through contact with infected animals, contaminated food, or, most concerningly, direct human-to-human contact through bodily fluids in hospitals and homes. The incubation period ranges from 4 to 14 days. Early symptoms like fever and muscle pain are often mild, which can dangerously delay a critical diagnosis. As the disease progresses, patients face dizziness, altered consciousness, and seizures. Many fall into a coma within 48 hours, and survivors often suffer long-term neurological damage. Diagnosis requires specialized laboratory tests like PCR testing. Because there is no cure, care is purely supportive, focused on managing fever and respiratory failure in high-security facilities. The World Health Organization has listed Nipah as a priority pathogen. Its ability to mutate and the speed of global travel make preparedness and surveillance absolutely vital. Understanding viruses like Nipah helps us prepare for the challenges of a connected world. Awareness and research are our strongest shields. Stay vigilant, stay informed.